Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You sign in now because YouTube ties region to both account and IP address. Once signed in, open YouTube on a desktop browser. This gives full settings access. Make sure you have a VPN ready or can change your device region. Otherwise, IP location may override account choices. You'll also open your Google account in a separate tab to check country settings. Start with settings location on YouTube and keep the VPN off for the moment, so you can see the current default. Now you change both the YouTube location and the Google account country so the platform recognizes your preference. Go to YouTube settings, choose location, and select the desired country. This affects recommendations. Next, open Google account settings and update personal info or country/region if editable. Some accounts lock country changes. If your IP still shows the old country, turn on a reputable VPN or adjust device region. Then clear browser cache and sign out. Finish by verifying the change. Check trending pages and region-specific searches. Open an incognito window to confirm IP-based results. If you still see the old region, clear cookies, try a different browser, and switch VPN servers or restart your device. Make sure you allow 24 to 48 hours for account-level changes to propagate. If content remains restricted or the country option is unavailable, contact Google support. They can explain account restrictions or flags that prevent region edits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.